Travelshortcuts Edgware Road. We're chilling. Yes, they just called me now, mate. Yeah.
But this time, well, I guess it peaks up.
Over there. What? I think it hasn't. I think maybe later on, then it will peak on. And then Bond Street, then Piccadilly Circus. Completely different. So,
Just chilling at your road.
yeah, we're still. Only in London, boy. You see my guy pushing that bait brown. You see my guy pushing that bait brown. Shortcut. I'm in Edgware Road, central London. And we're gonna do a quick walk further up. Let's go. Yeah, man. Travelshortcuts Edgware Road. We're chilling. And it's going to be bopping, man. We're going to be seeing the streets. Sorry about the weather. Tried and the condition and the time. Tried to get here as early as possible. But hey, man, getting at nothing. So yeah, we're going to make our journey from Edgware Road. As you can see, Edgware Road Station up ahead. Edgware Road, and then from Edgware Road, you've got the Hilton as well over there. Fantastic. So from Edgware Road, we're going to be chilling and traveling to Oxford Street, and then Bond Street, then Piccadilly Circus train station, and then Leicester Square and Soho. We'll be going back. Rewind. And to select. My guy chilling. Yeah, this is central London, so you kind of have to watch yourself, and I'm obviously going to be watching my phone. You know, no 5-finger discounts out here, boy. So Edgware is very famous as amongst the Arab community, famous for having these lovely shisha outdoor lounges. You're going to probably see soon, well, that you are going to see soon, thanks to Travelshortcuts. And yeah. We're making moves, Travelshortcuts. Happy New Year. Yeah, man. A little street walk. I'm gonna try and preserve my battery. So, you know, these things, you start from there and you can even make your way down there as well. It's pretty cool. The shisha lounge places where people just go to relax, stretch their legs. You can see. Road. Sure, I thought there would be more people at this time, but I guess it peaks off a little bit different. There's normally people sitting like there. There's normally people over there, but I think it hasn't peaked properly. Time it hasn't really peaked, so I think maybe later on then it will peak on Travelshortcuts. Yes, they just called me now, mate. Yeah, they've booked the appointment for this Saturday. Yeah. This following Saturday. Yeah. Literally now. So we're still in Edgware Road. As you can see, it starts to look a bit different, doesn't it? Starts to look a bit different. A little bit different. I'm gonna try and do as much as I can today, and then we're gonna head back. Yeah. Try and do as much as I can today. Head back shortly. Completely different, right? It's different than my other street videos, right? My other street walks. Yeah. Completely different. So, I've been doing this for a while. I remember my mate, he rang me one day. And he was like, hey Geese, when are you coming back? You know, to Colombia. And I saw my mate, oh bloody hell. Not sure, Geese, but it's just this bloody virus, mate. It's just It's the ball lake. But you know, whenever there's a will, there's a way. And we will navigate through. You know? We'll navigate through. Always. Just chilling Edgware Road. Doing a little street walk. See, dogs are out. Do you know what? We'll try and sit down somewhere, have a little cheeky pint. I haven't had a little pint in a while. So later on we'll sit down and we'll have a little cheeky one, eh? A little bubble. What do you guys think? A little bubble, eh? A little bubble never hurt anybody. I don't bloody think so. So it's getting a little bit dark now, but you know, we're still going through. We're still soldiering through. You know, we'll still take care of business out here. And just look at it. Wow. It starts to look a bit cheap, doesn't it? Me, I play. Starts to look a bit cheap. Now, look at that. No one told me there was a fun fair around. Do you know what? I don't even think there's a fun fair. I think there's just the lights. It's nice, doesn't it? From here. It's really nice. But that's not part of the plan, man. You can't divert me from my mission. You know, I have a set route in place. So, I have to follow the mission. London. Those of you who are not too sure about London, here it is. Welcome to central London. And then, look at that. That's definitely a fun fair or whatnot. But we're not going there, are we? We're going Oxford Street. Look at that. Oi, oi. Dog's bollocks.
Right in the middle.
Yeah. Go further down there. If you want to stretch your hair, but mouthful.